we're going to be decorating them. Let's get started by this one. Put it on the plate.
Can you show me what you have there?
Some white chocolate, some Nutella, some caramel powder, some salt, some chocolate chips, sugar. I have some crushed sugar, I have some sugar, and Oreo.
Okay.
So we're going to start by putting some white chocolate, some vanilla chocolate, and then just spread the white chocolate. Now we're going to go ahead with another one. What? Is with some Nutella. And just spread it around. The donut. Okay, that's I kind of separated them all up. Put some Nutella and one of the white thing that's kind of like comfort. So I got some sprinkles. So there's the chocolate there. Now I'm gonna put this one up with a lot of Nutella. I need Oreo. Yum! That was good.
So you're decorating one with Oreo and white chocolate. And the other one is with Nutella and sprinkles.
And then I'm gonna make a chocolate chip with Nutella. And now we're gonna fill it out with cake.
Kit Kat. That looks delicious.
Yeah.
So now you're putting cinnamon on it. Okay, and what else do we have next?
Sugar.
A glazed one. Okay. Oh, so what do you have in there?
So I have some sweet yellow.
So the last one you're making with sprinkles and
some chocolate chips.
chocolate chips. Yummy. I feel we should just put a little bit of Oreo also and a little bit of Kit Kat also. I mean, like yummy, chocolate-licious.
Chocolate donut. One chip right here. And one Oreo right here. Like BFFs. Going to go.
So guys, did you like the donuts? Don't they look yummy?
Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're doing another crazy challenge. We're gonna use these donuts for quizzes.
Okay, so when I say ready, steady, go, we'll see who eats the donut the quickest. Ready, steady, go! Okay, that is Taisha going halfway through. Oh, you're eating so quickly. Taisha's eating so quickly. And Shivi, do you like the donut? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Oh, see, there's something on your finger. You want to lick it. I know you want to lick it. Tasha, come on, eat. Oh, we have the winner. Somebody's left their donut. Somebody's left their donut right there. The poor little donut is saying, eat me. Oh, he's back. Are you back for the challenge, Shivam? Okay, come on, eat quickly. Shubham, eat. Taisha Didi is winning the challenge.
Mom, you feed.
Nobody's going to feed you. Oh, Taisha's done with her donut and she wins. We have a winner. Okay, like, subscribe. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.